soffit vents, I know I can see from underneath them that they were really bad. And I painted my house 3 years ago and I replaced them at the time. And 3 years, they look like this after 3 years. That really sucks. This screen here traps in all this dust and shit. And for houses with wood vents, I mean, here you can see I have wood soffits, not vents, wood soffits. And they got these 8x16 vents that you put in. But this is what happens after just a couple of years, 3 years. Probably should have replaced them last year. So, look at that, wow. Instead of buying new ones and doing the same thing, I wanted to try something a little bit different. So, I'm taking off my vents, I'm bending up these corners, or these flaps all the way around, so I can get rid of this screen and all this dust here, or this shit in here. Let's do that right now. Here you can see that, wow. I don't know why they use those screens like that. I figured I'd show you what I'm gonna do. So, well, that was weird, my phone cut out. So it's reasonably clean now. I'm gonna go clean it a little better. But my idea is, I got this galvanized mesh 1/8 inch opening. You can see here, it looks like it's a little bit bigger than the holes on the fiberglass stuff. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to essentially replace that mesh. And this bees can't get through this size here, so I was considering getting one size bigger, but I figured I would just try with this one first. So I'm going to fit this in here all the way around, cut it so it's just under 8x16, and then I'm going to close the flaps all the way around. But this is what I'm using, and I'm hoping that not only will my attic breathe better with these screens in here, but they won't clog up like those fiberglass screens do, but we'll see. So I figured I'd add on here. Getting this in here, after you pry these up, I don't know, it definitely takes some work and some patience. So I was able to get it in all the way around. Now I'm just gonna go around with my hand and pinch it closed all the way around now that it's in the slot. You can also use the pliers, of course, to do this. It's not that bad, so I'm just doing it with my hand. It's pretty thin aluminum. Now the top. So I'm just about done. To the side. With the screen in here, it comes off a roll. So I put the screen in so it's bowed like this. So it's, when I put it in, because it's on the roller and it was shaped like this, it's gonna rest flat. It's gonna push flat against these fins here. And I forgot to wash this damn thing. I can still wash it. Good thing is, it doesn't matter if this aluminum gets wet. So This is pretty much the end product. Just push the flaps down all the way around. Nice galvanized screen. I'm going to install this and hopefully it works better. Goodbye.